Okay, we've corrected a lot of incorrect wiring from the factory and incorrect wiring from time of installation. Platin's at the home position, running it down. Okay, safety circuit does work. Continue to run it down. And back up here. This is the baler at the north side of the warehouse. We're going to go on to the baler at the south side of the warehouse in a moment. So baler is now functioning, doing what it's supposed to do. You can see it going up. We'll make sure it lifts vertical lift gate. This baler is in service. Thank you.